I cleaned out this crib just to let her go and hang out in here for a good moment because we sprayed out this whole place with ant chemicals, so we don't want her to climb around, touch anything. So you gotta stay here for a good moment, okay, honey? Yes, you. And then we got cleared out this and all the toys. I put it over here. I'm gonna pick her up in a second. It's about feeding time and nap time. So all the toys here so they can play with it. Figure out what we'll do with it later when they don't. Okay, Minnie. Did a quick wipe down so she doesn't get all dirty. You want up? You want up? Okay. These are from the learning experience. Very random. Alright, I made some Korean eggs. See how it tastes. Got green onions on the side. Got some celery, and I also made tuna. Hey Google, stop. To eat with the celery. It's kind of hard to open, but we're gonna get there. There it is. Bam. Boys are playing with these little connectors again.
Number blocks.
So it's nice because they usually watch a lot of TV, so we're changing it up a little bit, let them explore and connect these things. They kind of get frustrated every now and then, but it's okay. They'll learn. Rain, let me see your thing. Rain, show me. Wow. Sky, can you say mama? Sky, say mama. Mama. You are such a troll. Hey, say mama. Okay, fine. Rain, say mama. Yay. Can you say dada? Can you say dada? You can say dada now? You little troll. Can you say mama? Mama. He refused to say. He says papa. He says dada. He says everything but mama. But he won't play with me. Hey, say mama. Rain, say mama. Dada. Scooper. Minnie. Say baby. Say flower. Yay.
Can you say I love you?
Yay. Say yo. Quiero. Taco. Taco. Veo. Do it again. Yo. Quiero. Taco. Veo.
Why don't you teach them actual words?
I'm dead. Say mama. Oh, mamma mia. Here I go again. Oh my. You want to press the button? Here, press the button. Press button. Daddy, take the temperature. Mama. These boys fight over the smallest thing over and over and over and over again. Rain, can you share? Give it to him, share. Share. Give it to him. Come on. Hey, oh my goodness. Cry again. Cry again. Yo. Cry again. Go ahead, cry again. Yo
Yo.
quiero
Get.
taco
Taco.
Bell. Again. Yo
Yo.
quiero taco Bell. Yo
Yo.
quiero
Yo.
taco
Taco.
Bell.
Playtime.
Hey.